Happy Father's Day. As such, while Father's Day and their selfless love need to be celebrated every day of the day, Father's Day is celebrated on Saint Joseph's Day. Devadidev Mahadev is our Father. Harar me Pita Gauri Mata Swadesho Bhuvanatrayam. Parama Purusha, Supreme Consciousness is my Father. Parama Prakriti, Supreme Operative Principle is my Mother. And the entire universe is my homeland. We are all citizens of this universe. The universe is a thought projection of the macrocosmic mind, and it is in the extroversial and introversial phase of the cosmic imaginative flow that the creation, preservation and destruction of all entities continues. When an individual imagines an object, then that person alone and no one else is the owner of that object. For example, when an imaginary human being roams about in an imaginary green field, the imaginer and not the imaginary person is the owner of the field. Thus, universe is the thought projection of a Brahma, the supreme entity. So the ownership of this universe lies with the supreme entity and not with his imagined beings. None of the movable or immovable property of this universe belongs to any particular individual. Everything is the common patrimony of all, and the father of all is Brahma. All living beings can enjoy their rightful share of this property, like members of a joint family in a Daya-Bhag system. As members of a joint family, human beings should safeguard this common property in a befitting manner and utilize it properly. They should also make proper arrangements so that everyone can enjoy it with equal rights, ensuring that all have the minimum requirements of life to enable them to live in a healthy body and a sound mind. We must not forget even for a single moment that the entire animate world is a vast joint family. Nature has not assigned any portion of this property to any particular individual. Private ownership has been created by selfish opportunists, as the loopholes in the system provides them with ample scope for self-aggrandizement through exploitation. When the entire wealth of the universe is the common patrimony of all living beings, can the system in which some rolls in luxury while others, deprived of a morsel of food, shrivel up and starve to death bit by bit, be said to have the support of Dharma? Shiva Shaktyatmakam Brahma. Brahma is the composite of a Purusha and Prakriti and is therefore usually spoken of philosophically in neuter gender. Here the author used his and in the following paragraphs father, the Brahma, to emphasize the paternal relationship that exists between supreme consciousness and living beings.